Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this gorgeous mermaid eye using a loose pigment and of course my Summer Glow Beauty Cosmetics. Let's get right into it, shall we? Today is a bit of a busier day for me. I have a couple appointments. I finally have my eye appointment for contacts. I have a therapy appointment and 2 makeup clients today. I feel like using some of my lesser used pigments, so I posted on my beauty page stories this morning which one you guys want me to use first, but I got too excited and I can't wait because I have stuff to do today, so I'm just gonna go in with one of them and I'll use whatever one you guys vote for next. Whenever I use these I get so many questions about the pigment, and it is Peaches Makeup. Peaches and Cream Cosmetics, and on Instagram they're just Peaches Makeup. Amazing pigments, and she has a pigment glue as well, which I'm going to use. Now I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows and prep my eye for eyeshadow. And I just line my brow and drag the concealer down, and then I use my beauty blender to blend it out. I also like to wash my beauty blender with lavender soap, and if you use like warm water and lavender soap and clean it and then run it under cold water and squeeze out all the excess water, when you go to use it for your concealer in your eyes, it's cold and it smells like lavender. It's like a little therapeutic spa. So definitely recommend you get yourself some lavender soap. So I'm going to be using a loose pigment, so I definitely want an eye, a shadow catcher, whatever you want to call it. Something under my eye to catch any loose fallout, because I don't want glitter specks in my foundation. And I'm first going to go in with the ABH Soft Glam palette. Going in with shades Burnt Orange and Orange Soda, just to get something over the lid to set that concealer a bit and something else to blend into. I think what I'm gonna do is something dark and smoky with browns over here and then the loose pigment on top. And the loose pigment I chose is Mermalade. I don't know if it'll pick up. So that's the color I'm going in with today. I think it's so pretty. I don't think I've ever used it, I'm not sure. Certainly not on myself. So I'm excited to see how it looks. I think it's kind of blue, maybe a little bit of green. So I'm thinking with dark brown, it'll look really pretty. Now I'm going in with the shade Rustic, right on the outer corner. And this is a really nice chocolate brown. And you can sweep a little bit into here. Not too much though, we want the focus to be dark on the outside and all that gorgeous blue up here. Take the small end of a brush. This is actually the brush that came with the palette, so I'm taking the small end in the shade Cypress Umber. And I'm just gonna smoke this along the lash line. And then drag it out of it. And then you could take the other end just to smoke it and marry the colors together a little more. And then you'll get a little shadow wing. Now I'm gonna go in with the Peaches and Cream glitter base and then the loose pigment. I do one eye at a time because the glitter base I find is a little fast to dry or it dries quickly. So I've got the glue picked up and I'm just tapping it where I want the pigment to fall. Gorgeous! Going in with moisturizer and primer. This is the e.l.f. Daily Hydration with like jojoba, whatever. And the primer is Smashbox Photo Finish. Apply generously to any textured areas, areas with large pores. For me, that's around my nose. I'd like to say less is more when it comes to makeup. Am I really saying that? What I mean is, I'd rather go in and reapply as needed, like in light layers, than go in super heavy and have a product that feels cakey, heavily applied, thick on the skin, you know? I want something that's light. Lightweight on the skin and just feels good. So I find I can achieve that best by going in lightly with layers, cream products first, and then setting with any powders. Going in with foundation. I'm using F21. Look at that coverage. Now I'm going in with some cream blush. Blending in an upward motion up into the cheek, or the cheekbone and the apple of the cheek. Now concealer. I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Light 2. And this one's quite light, so I'm mixing it with e.l.f. 16 Hour Camel Concealer in medium. Now I'm going in with my loose baking and setting powder in translucent. Putting some extra setting powder right here because I have to wear my glasses for part of today. You'll notice on my forehead, I'm just like really pressing the powder in just because I desperately need to get my Botox done and I got wrinkles and I don't want my shit settling inside my wrinkles. Now, in the areas that I'm setting, I'm just brushing this away. Under my eye, from here out, I'm kind of stippling it into the skin and brushing excess away. Right here, where I purposefully put extra to set for my glasses, I'm gonna brush that away because that was a lot. But this, we're gonna use it all. Yeah. And you can use that powder all over to set your whole face, or you could go in and set those cream products with powder like I am here. So I'm just going in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. And see that depth it just provides. I know there's a shadow over here, but just provides some more depth back into the face. Okay, my eye appointment is in literally 20 minutes, but it's just up the road. So brows, setting powder, lips, and we done. I'm not gonna put on lashes yet, if I do today at all, because I have to wear my glasses. So depending on if at my eye appointment I get a pair of contacts to wear home, will determine whether or not I come back and put lashes on. So yeah. So good news is I made it to my appointment in time. Bad news is I'm a little blinder. But some more good news is they gave me contacts to wear. So I'm putting lashes on. Oh yeah, it's been weeks since I've had lashes on, so I'm so excited. Also, I would like to say I was just at this eye appointment and she was all up in my face, like checking my eyelids, underneath my eyelids, you know, like touching my face. I had to rest my chin, my forehead on all those little machines. And, honey, what's wrong? One moment. Mommy's talking. I had to rest my forehead and chin on all those machines and no transfer. What's the matter, honey? Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate, topped with Dior Raspberry Lip Glow Oil. And there you have it. My hair is not done, but we'll see if I even get to that today. Thanks for watching.